All right, hello guys. I wanted to give a review. I just bought this ChefWave espresso machine, um, and it came with two glasses, which is nice, and an espresso holder. And I'm actually going to do two other reviews. So I wanted to get some additional espresso cups, and I got these little shot cups, which are really nice. They're just perfect. And I also, on Amazon, bought the Espresso Italia, which has 100 pods. And I actually tried one, and I'm going to go through making another one so you all can actually see how great they work. So I'm going to use the little cups because it fit perfectly. So the ChefWave, using one of the blends Lungo that came with the box. So you just put the pod in. I'm going to use one of my little cups and put that under there. And I may have to turn it back on just a minute. Okay. And it closes down. And then I'm going to use the small one just to see. And some folks were saying it's loud, but honestly, I haven't heard of a quiet espresso machine, so this is perfect. The flavor was really good for the Lungo, but it came with 5 other flavors as well, and so I'll be trying those. But so far I'm very pleased. So I've only had it a couple days, but I'm very pleased with what I see. Nice foam come up, and I did do the small cup, which was a shot, and there you have it. And then there's a reservoir where the little pot falls into, and that's it. All right, thanks.
Neck. Look at how amazing this product is. Bam! And I want a small one. These cups came with it. You gotta hold your cup, by the way, so your cup doesn't break. You gotta. Nope. Okay. But it gets better. I want a big one. Amazing. Also, to the guy in the comments who's saying these things don't hold his pods, but it's metal, just bend the little rack back a little bit, and it'll be tighter and it'll hold your capsules. Come on.
Okay, press and hold the button. Set the water level. Now it should be set. Yeah, not set.
So this is the ChefWave Espresso machine, and it's definitely a must-have product for everyone's home. It comes with these 2 clear glasses and is super easy to use. You just lift the top and pop a pod in there, and then click which brew size you'd like, and wait for the magic to happen. So as you can hear, it is a bit loud while brewing, and this video is sped up, but it does only take about 1 to 2 minutes for the larger size to be done. Something I really like about this machine is it's so easy to take apart and clean. As you can see, when you pull it out, all the used pods empty into the bottom container, which pulls out and you can just toss them all into the trash. This product is also nice because it's very compact and takes up very little space on the counter, which is a plus. As you can see, it's very narrow. The water tank has a lid that flips open, or you can just remove the entire thing to fill. The power button is on the side and a simple on and off button that is easy to access once you put it back into place on your countertop. It also comes with this adorable little metal rack to store and organize all your pots and keep your countertop looking clean.
This. It's gonna be so good. It's creamy. It's a creamy espresso. So let's see how we do with it.
such amount of water is for American coffee, never espresso coffee. Are you kidding me?
Did you know that? Katie told Detective Branson? How would she know that? You didn't mention it in class, did you? No, excuse me.